Waves crashing by the shore, empty streets, dark and cold. Shadows cast as daylight fades, whispers of stories old. Tears fall like autumn rain, lonely hearts, heavy pain. Memories in the night, stars show a distant light. Goodbye's a bitter song, but I'll keep holding on. Tomorrow's dawn will glow in my heart, I'll know. Paths taken by regret, echoes in silhouette. Dreams linger in the night, colors that fade to white. Hope hidden in the mist, future's gentle twist. Fading scars will heal, new dreams become real. Goodbye's a bitter song, but I'll keep holding on. Tomorrow's dawn will glow in my heart, I'll know. Paths taken by regret, echoes in silhouette. Dreams linger in the night, colors that fade to white. Hope hidden in the mist, future's gentle twist. Fading scars will heal, new dreams become real. Silent prayers take flight, through the dark into light. In the coldest night, a spark ignites the fight. Goodbye's a bitter song, but I'll keep holding on. Tomorrow's dawn will glow in my heart, I'll know, I'll know. Goodbye's a bitter song, but I'll keep holding on.